Hello, Professor Floor. My name is Edward Cater, and this is my Homework 11 submission. Um, this week I modified last week's full stack app to incorporate elements of what I want my final app to have. So I struggled with this assignment until today. I struggled with it all week, but I figured it out finally. I couldn't get it to run because instead of using the file Cater Edward and the guestbook subfolder in it on MongoDB, I still had it on Biz and the other guestbook app underneath that from MongoDB. In order to show what I can do, I'm gonna run our web service right quick, and it's running. Now I'll go back to a web page. We'll put http:// localhost 777 / index.html. So I adapted, minus the index page, I adapted most of what I had from my idea of what app I wanted to do onto this. It's just not aesthetically pleasing. So here is the home page. It's basic. The one, per the instructions, the one page that I did manage to get is I did get the retrieve one done. So I have the player's jersey number right here on the side. I have their name, their position, and then it keeps going. This unidentified one is one of the submissions, is one of the test ones I tried to do earlier. So if I did update, I'll pick undefined. I'll put the name as Ed, and I'll put the position as guard. So I'll update it. It still has undefined. This is an error I've been running into a lot, and I can't figure out why it's wrong. If I go to delete, it'll go to delete. I'll pick a name. I'll pick undefined, and then it goes here. A couple of questions I had for this week that I couldn't figure out how to do is what's stopping my CRUD function from deleting the folder or deleting the name that I pick on. Because if I go to MongoDB, like here's all my submission, here's all my info that I inputted, and it don't show the new one that I created, and I'm not sure why it's doing that. So yeah, that's my web-based API for one table from my thing. I implemented CRUD into the index folder. I understand how it works. Like I was struggling earlier, like I said, with the Cater Edward, but then I also had to change things from like my delete one, or not delete one, from like create. I had to change this from guest ID to jersey number, from name to player name, from comment to position, and I just had to update all the info. I did that for create, retrieve, update. I changed it all. If you could help me by showing me any of the hiccups I made in this, I would greatly appreciate that so I can get my app working. Thank you for your time.